Getting the American Eagle security tag off is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can get American Eagle security tag off. Now this is a security tag which is, with your clothes whenever you buy new clothes. And sometimes you bought the clothes and, the receiver or the cashier forgets to, remove this and you come home with that. So how can you remove it on your own? Well, it is a very difficult job and I wouldn't suggest you, just because while trying this, you can, damage your product as well. You will probably get a receipt while buying their product. You just need to take your receipt to the store and ask him to remove, and he will definitely remove it for you. If you don't have any receipt, you can show the transaction or show some proof that you bought it legitimately and you have installed it, and he will easily be able to help you and remove it. But if you don't want to go to store, there's another way as well. As you guys know that this is how this is look. There should be, some cloths in it. You can try sticking a sharp thing in it and, just try to pull it out. It could damage your cloth or damage your product, but this is the only way. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.